What's up guys, Press Young here, back for another video. Today our iPadOS 14 public beta is out. As also yesterday is developer beta 2, and a lot of people are asking how to install the public beta. So it's simple. You go to the Safari. Obviously I already turned on the beta website, but I'm going to teach you how to do it. So you all have to go to search and you go to Apple E beta. Obviously you need to add space beta beta program. If you click the first one and you see beta program, you click it and you see all those iOS 14, all those icons, which is the default wallpaper, which means it's iPadOS 14 is available. And it depends which device you're using. If it's iPhone, you must click iOS. iPad's iPadOS. If you're on the Mac, you can do macOS Beat Sur. You can you have iPod, you can use watchOS 7. So obviously if you want, you can just click sign up, use your Apple ID and sign in, then you can get the beta profile. Obviously I'm a member, I can already sign in. Now obviously when you sign in, they'll prompt you about the Apple ID. Obviously I have the thing, so I will look away. Just give a sec until everything's logged in, then I'll only show you what to do. And then when you sign in the verify, I using a phone number, I use other options, do not upgrade because two factors control is very annoying, because when you use it and if you don't have the thing, you cannot get the code, which is a problem. Also when you're done, you can just click accept, and that's it. Obviously mine's iPadOS, you can just click and you just scroll down. If you see the word enroll your iPad, then you just click enroll your iPad. And then remember to backup. You can backup anything and then install profile. Just click download profile. So when you click download it, you just send end to it, ask you to accept. So when you say allowed, you just click allowed. So review settings. If you want to install it, it's simple. And you just go back, go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to profile, and that's another profile. So that's the one is for the public beta of it. Obviously I'm not using this one. This is the developer beta. So if you want to use the public beta, it's simple. You can just go to Safari, go to my steps. You can now rewind the video, and then I'll teach, and you will learn it again. Now if you do want the public beta, you want developer beta, I'll also link in the description below with the public beta how to install at the same time. It's simple. You go to notes, you go to support, or you go to, or see notes is my notes. So you click, you must search betaprofile.com. Obviously I'll put in the link description if you want to go there, and you can download all those developer betas if you want to. Obviously it's risky to install it, but if you want the public beta, it's now safe. It's same as developer beta 2, so both had the bugs, so now it's equalized and you don't have to worry about it. And if you guys want the older version, the beta iOS 13.6, it's here because Apple removed it, and you want the Dell beta, you can use it if you want to. I think it might be over it. They might remove it on the website. 14, of course, iPadOS 14, iOS 14, everything's right here. I'll link a description of all the beta profiles, including the Apple public beta software, so you don't have to search it up or search out the link, so you feel very annoying. Yeah, and that's how you get the beta profile. You get iPadOS, which means iPadOS 14, iOS 14, macOS Sur, Big Sur, and watchOS 14, followed by tvOS 14. I don't know Apple TV, so that's why I didn't talk about tvOS much, but iPadOS. And if I got the iPhone on, then you can install iOS 14. And obviously the upcoming new iPhone is also bring built-in iOS 14, so you don't have to worry about it when you want to install. If you're using an older phone and if you jump to the new iPhone, maybe it's pre-installed iOS 14, so you do need to install again. They just only install the security updates. If it's iPad, Apple hasn't launched an iPad, you need to install iPadOS 14. If you do want to wait, you can install the developer beta. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow all my Facebook page, the Instagram, or even a YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on notification bell for latest video, just in case if you miss it. And if you want to see what's new on my beta 1 beta 2, you can actually go back to my YouTube channel or by subscribing and go to my channel so you can take a look at other great features. And I'll see you in the next video.